Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having tacos. No quiero Taco Bell.
Not Taco Tuesday. Today is Greedy Couple Taco Day. You know, Taco Tuesday right here.
So they have a new flavor taco in the store. It's a ranch taco. If you've seen it before, let me know. I've never seen it, so I grabbed it. So we have a ranch taco, Dorito taco, and then we just have some soft shell tacos. That's it. Oh, and the husband just have crunchy tacos. Nothing spectacular.
Crunchy, I take my time because it, you know. So all these right here, mine.
Yes.
Okay.
And you guys know that I like to make anything with ground beef. I like to use ground chicken. So it's ground chicken with lettuce, tomato, cheese, jalapeno on some of them. And we're about to dig in, y'all.
Where you been all along? I was craving for some tacos.
This is the ranch one.
This is the ranch one, the light one then? Or you give me the light skin one? There you go. Take a big bite of the light skin one. Ran for you know. First they did good with the tacos, you know. She good taco maker, you know. Okay. That's the taco sauce right here?
And then we gotta have that sour cream.
Oh, you taste the ranch on my fingers already.
That's what I'm telling you.
No cap. I like that.
Shh.
These tacos look brilliant. You did good.
Thank you. I don't even know if I'm gonna get to the soft shell taco, but it's there anyway.
We got it all day for you. Family.
Very good.
Very good. Excellent.
Just drink a ginger ale.
Yeah. Somebody wanted it.
Woo.
Somebody wanted that one.
It fell?
When it snuck out. Snuck out of them.
Woo.
You full?
Oh. I was hungry.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. When you're hungry, and you're trying to eat, for some reason, the camera always decides to act up.
They're going to be behind the scene.
That's the worst feeling ever. When you're hungry, and you try to fix the camera, and it's not cooperating.
Yeah. For the content creators, y'all be having that problem too?
Yeah, they say yeah.
Thank you. Behind the scenes is rough.
Rough. But once it's fixed, it's all worth it.
Wow.
I hope you guys are having a good day. And it's great Thursday.
Beautiful Thursday. This is good.
The ranch is good.
The ranch is good. You can taste the Doritos.
Yeah. You know what? You want sour cream?
I'm not fancy that thing, but put some funny.
You want to find this one? This one?
Yeah. I'm that sour cream person.
I'm gonna try the soft one. Ooh.
Yeah. The ranch one tastes good.
This is good.
Simple Sprite, you know? Sprite, Sunkist.
It's not a Sprite.
My bad. Sunkist. For the family. You know what I mean, family. You know when you're hungry, you talk crap. You already know how that is already. When the hungry kick in. There's nothing wrong with my cup. I know you're asking. Sometimes you just need to switch it up, you know? Thank you for asking, though. It's just there.
I ain't gonna jalapeno on this one.
I put some grace on this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, grace is here. Always in first place, but sometimes
Oh, let me eat
it don't want to win the race.
let me eat one of this one.
What? Which one?
The nacho one.
Nacho? Yeah. Fancy taco, man. You have ranch, you have light skin taco, you have red skin taco. Alright, I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna try this one, what you say. This one's called what again?
Red skin taco.
Red skin taco, okay.
Alright, you can name it red skin taco. I like to
No.
when we're not on camera, right? Okay, because I'm sitting right next to him, I'm looking at you guys. We talking, we vibing. So I can see him in the corner of my eye, but most of the time, when we're not on camera and we're eating something, like he's eating a snack or something, I'm in the bed and he's eating a snack on the couch. His beard, I like to sit there and watch him eat because his beard goes up and down like.
Up and down, soon cut off it blood now.
Go ahead and cut it off. Are you busy nothing now?
It affect me when I eat my food. I don't even know when stuff is on my face. Oh, there's something with the beard. They didn't see me with the beard. Low and clean. Low and clean, Richie in the building.
The beard.
Beard for you?
Yes.
Too naughty. No, these are good
Yes.
though. The red skin taco good.
I love the beard in my face. They're good.
Very.
I like the one. I like the taco. Stay right there, sir. That the bottom is flat because it stands out. So it doesn't fall all over the place.
Yep. Y'all want more? No? Okay. Thank you. I don't want more. You know what's coming, but we gotta eat some first. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for supporting us. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget, the link is in the description. You know, the Greedy Couple parties are here. You know what I'm saying? No?
Excuse me.
So check out that link in the description, okay? I appreciate every single one of y'all that's showing some support. I want this bad. I eat taco like that. Remember when I went to Taco Bell? I didn't know what to order.
Yeah.
I ordered something for 10,000 cheese. I didn't even know what to order. I only got 2 tacos. I was like, what the hell? 10,000 cheese for 2 tacos? I don't know what I got. I got some chalupa, supreme, some crap. I didn't even know because I don't go to Taco Bell.
Right.
I wanted these. And they had three of them for a meal. That's what I wanted, but I didn't know. I just said, let me get that meal. So when the bill came, I said, I paid 10,000 change for this? Two little tacos? I went back and I said, this is the wrong thing I gave. Good. Give me a different order. It was the wrong thing, but I was like, 10,000 for 2 tacos?
So they gave you the wrong thing?
Because they gave me other food.
But tacos for us, we have to be like, oh God, I want some tacos, yeah.
Yeah. The red skin busting.
When we did that 7 tacos in 7 minutes challenge.
How much I ate?
I think you ate all of them.
The time ran out.
Right out when you had like a little bit in your mouth. But according to the family, you won. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. I try to find it and link it somewhere in the description for you guys.
The challenge. I went hard.
Yeah.
We not a challenge eater.
Yeah, we're not a challenge eater because we want to eat our own food. Like, you can't challenge us because we're not gonna want to eat that. We want to eat our curry gold and our oxtail and our stew peas. We don't want to yum that.
We ain't good on challenge all that.
That's why you notice that we don't do it anymore. We might do 1 or 2 here and there, but nah. We like to eat our food.
Cash.
You know? I mean, Richie Rush anyway. But
I know that's family.
when he eating his food.
I take my time. And consume. This is good.
I would love to go to one of those food trucks. That be selling like the beera. If I'm saying it wrong, don't come for me because I'm gonna come for you too. Fiesty.
Ain't nobody come. We don't got those type of family members. You know that already.
That is true.
You know we don't got those type of family members.
That is true.
Back to what I said, yeah, I just said, no cap, we don't got those family members over here.
Yeah, that's true.
We got genuine family members over here.
Yeah. Can I just sauce, honey? And what I like about our family members is
they're motivating. They
motivate
push
you. Yep. And if we doing something that they don't like, they tell us
They
but
tell
in
you.
a
Yeah,
in a respectful way.
Exactly.
And we listen.
We listen.
Yeah, no, we listen.
That's what we do. That's why we have the conversation.
Yeah, how we gonna be family? We can't listen to each other.
Exactly.
Come on.
If a friend can't tell you when you're wrong, that's not a true friend.
No. No.
So if you can't tell us when we're wrong, family member,
Yeah.
you're not true. You're not true. You know what I'm saying? That's why. Like when you're compensate.
What? I wanna. What are you saying?
When you communicate back with us, you know? Y'all got that about man. Food
I
night.
don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
But yeah, we don't. That's all we like.
Yeah.
I'm saying 1 or 2 people will come in and say something. We don't worry about that. We'll keep it going. No cap. Family.
And I make it.
Yes, I ate off 6 already. Yes, I know you can't. Why you always do that? When I eat my food, you always count. You know I'm gonna eat it. And I told first lady, you know, say I can't name off so much, you know? And she gave me 2 extra, don't you?
He did say that.
I'm hungry. Here. I know you're kind of, but here, take your time. I told you it's not a challenge. I'm not rushing. Yeah. Okay. I know somebody don't like the hard one. It's not a challenge, so I don't have to rush. I can take my time and eat. You okay over there? What? I'm so young one.
Now move, man.
What? You was hungry today.
Don't get too excited because I'm full now.
No. Get them beasts. Yo, I'm proud of you.
Get a piece of this one. So I didn't bite it.
Take a piece of the red skin. Okay. No, you did good, yo.
My pickle is good.
Family. Some good people for real.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna call your name, but real good people.
We gotta come back with
What?
so
Yeah, when I'm talking, don't say like you want to cut my talk when I'm talking.
that's right. You chat too much while I'm cutting your talk. We gotta come up with some story time. We haven't did a story time in a long time.
Wait, but we got stories. We just don't want to keep giving them too much stories,
I
man.
know. Yes.
What?
I'm gonna tell you about what happened in the kitchen. Don't
See,
worry.
that's why I tell you don't bring that up in because I know they want to hear that story time.
I know. Family, let me tell you something. That story time is freaking long.
It's like
gonna
about
be long.
It's like 5 chapters.
It has to be.
It's a long story time, family. You know, I know y'all want to hear it, so don't worry. She gonna let you know. That story time you cannot miss because y'all want to hear it. Trust me.
I couldn't believe it.
People say what they say that they did this and they're not that.
Come on.
So I go.
So I go.
Look there. Be good for them story time.
I'm full.
Well now, you did good. How much you had? How much you
6.
brought? You had 6 tacos? You bring 6 tacos for yourself? No man, I like that one. You brought 6 so you ate. You
ate 4.
4. Basically 4, because you have the young finish one. Wow, that's good job. Pop. You did good, damn.
You think so?
Yo, I don't just start them so much food in my youth. That's what kid.
Sorry. Look at my nerve.
Baby, I didn't hear that. Oh. Oh, yeah, my youth. Maybe them all life food.
Ooh. That jalapeno.
Oh, this is what I meant to ask you. Man, it kept slipping my mind. How did I make it slip my mind if I remember, yo?
What?
If I reach this far, I know you're gonna reach way farther than this. But listen, what's good with that next stimmy? I heard we get a 4th stimmy coming. That's true? I know y'all know. I know the stimmy come around, y'all know. Let me know, cause I'm a stimmy. Yo, listen. Let me know, cause I heard they passing the next bill for the stimmy. Please let us know, okay? Cause I see it all over. You saw it right, First Lady? I showed you, right? Okay. So I'm not. That means I'm not lying.
I think it was good.
I want to pick up on you.
It's good in it.
Didn't you say you done?
I am. I'm just fixing it.
Oh, I'm no fool. Oh, hold on. It's coming. Why are you rushing?
This is really good.
This was
really good.
This was delicious, family. This not what the one I had, First Lady, but listen, family, I just had to jump to one real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to put this in a little my journal book, start storing my word of wisdom in my journal book, because sometimes I can't find them. All right, listen now. Listen to something. You're freaking. This is my youth. Listen. All right, family. First Lady, listen. This is not the one I have, but this one is
okay, my
close
love.
to
You
it.
chat too much. Go on, man.
All right. No. We don't always get what we want. But consider this. There are people who will never have what you have right now.
That is true. That is very true.
Yes, this wasn't what I was going to say, no. But that one just popped up. Say,
Popped
Richie,
up.
read it right now to them. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to read it again to y'all. That means never stop pushing. Never. Okay. No. We don't always get what we want, right, family? But always consider this. All right. There are people who will never have what you have right now. Not even if it's small, big, whatever.
Yeah.
Just keep on doing what you gotta do. People say, oh, this and that, but they don't know how it comes. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like. People will see you with certain stuff and say, oh, they act like they're better than people. They this and that. I know. If y'all can relate, I'm a preaching tonight. If y'all can relate, because you know it's true, right, family? People see with certain stuff, how you doing, how you living your life, how your relationship is, but they don't know the ins and out. Everybody have problems and issue, but they just don't show it, okay?
That's true.
You have nothing to say?
No, you say it really
We
good.
are the Greedy Couple. I am Richie, aka Chatty Pasta sometime. And this is First Lady. And we appreciate every single one of you. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo, that one that wicked enough time, and I don't want them more to say no, but that one they hit. Not true.